Good morning. We are here at the waterfall. Dry, semi-dry.
Come on, Maria.
Elsmere.
Yeah. Oh, there's a pool up here.
There is ano?
There's a pool.
Maria, what? Sis.
Okay, let's check
There's
out
a pool.
the pool.
What?
Oh.
I can't. Someone has to.
Oh, it's not totally dry. It's
Maria,
flowing.
There's a pool up here.
Okay. Oops. It's a little slippery. Oh.
No, someone
Push,
has.
push, push.
Bones!
Sige na, push. I'm pushing you.
No, I can't. Just go. I can't
Okay.
do it with my hand.
Oh.
You have to pull me.
Oh, pull. Pull. Oh, cool.
Ay, sorry.
Mm. Do you like this adventure, anak?
Yeah.
Ano?
Maria.
Huh? Opo.
Yan. Yan, may umaakit dyan. People climb that with rope. See? See? See, there's a... This part, you can climb on this part.
Ooh, I
Over
wanna
there.
climb.
No, 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 not today.
We don't have a rope.
But I can climb like that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Get a pebble, throw it at the pool.
No.
And we are here. Middle of nowhere. Actually 3 miles away from home. Yan, no? Cool. Sige, pause na muna.
It's deep, kind of.
So, before I go, can I interview for a while? What do you think of this place?
It's
Teka,
good.
teka. Huh?
It's good. It's cool.
Huh? Did you get tired?
A little bit.
Napagod ka?
Yes.
Was it boring or fun?
Fun.
Ikaw, how are you?
I'm okay.
Okay. So this is it. We'll come back when there's more water.
There is water.
It's not waterfall. It's trickle fall.
There's a lot
Check it
down
out.
here, though.
You know, trickle. Okay.
You just need to put all the water and put it there.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Mariel.
Bye.
Okay,